Yes, now we will repeat suffixes and improve our skills in suffixes. So, you understood that suffixes are actually the biggest part of the Turkish grammar. If you learn and understand them, the rest will be really easy game. Why? Because Turkish mostly consists suffixes usually and verbs, and this language is evolved by actions. In Turkish history, Turks were nomadic people, and everything was about doing things, not so much stopping, spiritual meditation. There wasn't time for this because constant moving on horsebacks usually. That's why it's more about doing, and there are many suffixes. So let's understand vowel harmony even better. Changing vowels in words so that the language flows smooth. Of course. There are two types of vowel harmony that we saw. One is A type. A comes after the A and undotted vowels. And A comes after the E and dotted vowels. How we told? For example, gitmek. Yes. Anlamak. Gitmek. Gelmek. E is dotted. So, mek comes. Anlamak. A is A. The other one is also A. And, for example, gelmek. Gelmek. Because this A already, and the next one is A. What else it can be? Gitmek. Yes, gitmek. Gelmek, gitmek. Dönmek. Dotted. So, therefore, E. And, it depends on the root. The last vowel of the root. If it was, for example, götürmek, another verb, to carry something, Ü is also dotted. Götür is the root. The last vowel is Ü. Therefore, mek. And because Ö is dotted, you understand Ü also here will be dotted because of the vowel harmony. There are words that are not suitable for vowel harmony, root words, but they are from outside. For example, makine. A is what we said, hard, like undotted, and A are one category, dotted and E are another category. And makine is in the A category, E and E in the A category, dotted category. And makine probably came from English language. And for example, if I will create a word like this to make something like a machine, more like a machine. There is something and I'm making it more of a machine. It means makineleştirmek. Here makine and the last vowel is E, so therefore leştirmek. But if it was kolay, it would be kolaylaştırmak. because last vowel in the easy, kolay, is A. So laştırmak comes. Mak. And E-type vowel harmony is what we called thinner versions of vowels. For example, kitapsız, without a book. After A came the thinner version of A, which is Ü. After kedi, it is E already, so E. It doesn't change. After A or Ü comes Ü. After E or E comes E. O or U comes U. Ö or Ü comes Ü. And possessive suffixes, you already know this. Kızım, my, kızın, your, kızı, her, his, daughter, kızımız, our, kızınız, your, plural, your daughter, kızları, their daughter. Bahçeler, gardens, ayaklar, feet. Yep. Ma is, here ma is gathering, and on the right side, same way of written. It's written in the same way, but it means don't gather. Gathering, don't gather. They are written in the same way, but according to the situation, by the meaning, you are understanding this. If I will say, for example, in my voice tonation also you will understand. Toplama. If I do like that, it's something negative, right? Don't gather. But if I'm like, toplamak güzel ya. Arada ben çiçek topluyorum. Toplamayı çok seviyorum. If I say like that, toplamayı çok seviyorum. I like to gather so much. So it is understandable. So you should just practice now. Do the worksheets and use the Telegram channel to practice even further and ask questions. Yep. That's it. See you in the next one.